In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refactor your code in Lovable. We'll walk through getting to your project, opening the built-in assistant, crafting a strong prompt, and submitting it so you can quickly improve structure, readability, and maintainability without changing behavior. Start on the Lovable Home dashboard. This is your central hub, and it's the easiest place to begin any workflow. From here, move into the section that shows all your workspaces and repositories by selecting All Projects. This view helps you quickly find what you need without digging through individual pages, and it's especially useful if you manage multiple codebases. Next, open the specific project you want to refactor. Choose the repository or application where you've noticed complex functions, duplicated logic, or patterns that are hard to test. It helps to have a clear target in mind, like a module that's grown too large or a class doing too many things, so your refactor request can be focused and effective. Inside the project, locate the Ask Lovable Assistant. This is where the refactoring magic happens. Think of it as your partner for proposing cleaner patterns, extracting functions, and simplifying code while preserving behavior. Open the assistant so you can compose a detailed request. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want to refactor and why. Be specific about your goals, such as improving readability, reducing complexity, extracting smaller functions, or aligning with a particular style guide. Mention boundaries that must not change, like public method signatures, API contracts, or test behavior. Call out any files, directories, or components to focus on, note performance or memory constraints if they matter, and include preferred patterns like dependency injection or early returns. A strong prompt might say something like, refactor the authentication module for clarity and single responsibility. Keep public APIs stable. Extract validation and token handling into separate helpers. Reduce nesting, add brief doc strings, and ensure no changes to existing tests. When your prompt is ready, submit it by pressing Enter. The assistant will process your request and return structured guidance or candidate changes based on the details you provided. If the output isn't quite what you had in mind, refine your prompt with more context. Narrow the scope to a smaller file or function, or emphasize constraints you want strictly preserved. Iterating on the prompt is normal and often leads to sharper results. That's the complete flow. Start on the dashboard. Open all projects, choose your project, launch, ask Lovable, write a clear, constraint-driven prompt, and submit it. With a precise request, you'll get actionable refactoring suggestions that make your code cleaner, easier to test, and simpler to maintain.